We're tracking a line of some heavier thunderstorm activity now moving out of Mississippi into Alabama and the western panhandle of Florida. You can see there's some heavy rainfall associated with that and also some lightning, but definitely not as strong as it was yesterday where we did have a number of tornado warnings across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. Let's talk about our forecast. We're starting off in the upper 50s, so not as chilly this morning. We'll get into the 60s by around 9, getting into the 70s once again around 11, and then we'll take that run into the upper 70s. Yesterday's high was 80. Just about everyone hit 80 or higher yesterday. Today we'll kind of stay in the mid to upper 70s. There is a chance of a shower late this afternoon, but it really takes over this evening in the form of showers and storms. Also, it will be breezy today with southwest winds at about 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25. So the scattered thunderstorms do take over this evening. The rain chances will be increasing. It'll be mild in the upper to middle 60s, and in the overnight thunderstorms really become widespread with the rain 80% chance and a low of 60 degrees. We do have a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms that begins tonight at 11 p.m. and takes us through Friday evening at 7 p.m. That includes a 5% chance of a damaging wind gust, a 2% chance of an isolated tornado, and 5% chance of flash flooding. But we are expecting heavy rainfall. It's going to kind of be the big story over the next couple of days. Once the rains come in tonight, they really won't let up until midday Sunday now. There's a frontal system stalling across the area, and the focus for the showers and storms just to the north and west of Albany around 11 p.m. And then this front stalls, and we'll have multiple rounds of heavy rainfall with some embedded thunderstorms, 1, 2 o'clock. Look how heavy the rainfall turns here as we go into the afternoon and evening hours as low pressure surface low begins to come in here and the upper level low off to the north and west, really slowing the progress of this system down. So we'll see the rain lighten up on Saturday morning, only to get heavier again Saturday afternoon, Saturday night as this low heads north and east. Again, there is some wintry side here across Louisiana and Arkansas, Mississippi, and there may be more here in the Carolinas as we get into Sunday as this low moves off to the north and east. And just look at this. We're going to have an extended period of rainfall. We'll get into this dry slot, it looks like by midday on Sunday, and that's when it will finally dry out for our area. Temperatures are definitely going to cool down too over the next couple days. Today's highs in the mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow only in the 60s with that 90% chance of rain and heavy at times. Expecting now 2 to 4 inches of rainfall through Sunday midday. Some areas could get as much as 5 inches. 100% chance of rain on Saturday, 48 to 55. 40% chance of morning showers on Sunday, and breezy 42 to 56. So definitely cool weather here this weekend and wet as well. Almost a total washout. Won't be until Sunday afternoon that we'll be able to enjoy the outdoors. And of course, the Super Bowl will be on at that time. So I don't know. We can maybe enjoy it outside for a little bit. 35 to 66 on Monday. A little morning frost and then milder temperatures. And the sunshine returns, wouldn't you know, just in time for the work week. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m., we'll talk more about the big rain event that's going to take over at least 3 days in a row.